Why do so many homeowners dream of renovating their kitchens? The kitchen, often referred to as the heart of the home, is where daily life unfolds and memories are made. A renovation breathes new life into this space, enhancing both its functionality and aesthetics. The excitement of selecting new designs, materials, and layouts is matched by the prospect of increasing a home's value. What's more, a well-thought-out kitchen can transform the way we live and entertain. At the heart of many of these transformations are the countertops, with Formica often leading the choice. What exactly are Formica countertops, and why do they stand out? Formica, a brand name that has become synonymous with laminate countertops, offers a blend of utility and aesthetics that makes it a popular choice in kitchens worldwide. Initially created using layers of paper and resin, pressed together under high heat and pressure, Formica has evolved to include a melamine resin top layer that enhances its durability and appearance. The true charm of Formica lies in its exceptional resistance to stains, scratches, and heat, attributes that make it ideal for the hustle and bustle of modern kitchens. Not only does it stand up well to daily wear and tear, but it's also significantly more affordable than natural stone or solid surface materials. This cost-effectiveness does not come at the expense of style. Formica is available in an array of designs, from rich natural patterns mimicking wood or stone, to vibrant, solid colours that can complement any decor. Formica combines practicality with style, making it a top contender for kitchen renovations. Formica isn't just practical, it's also incredibly versatile in its designs. When it comes to enhancing your kitchen, the array of options with Formica countertops is truly impressive. Imagine a palette of colours at your fingertips, from the deepest blacks to vibrant hues that can brighten any space. The patterns available range from subtle marbling effects to bold geometric designs, each capable of setting a unique tone in your kitchen. Beyond colours and patterns, Formica's textures add another layer of depth. With finishes that can mimic the natural grain of wood, the smooth gloss of marble, or the rugged feel of granite, these countertops offer the luxurious look of natural materials without the hefty price tag. This ability not only makes Formica a cost-effective choice, but also a stylistically flexible one. Customization doesn't end there. Edge profiles and surface finishes can be tailored to meet specific design needs, ensuring that every countertop is as unique as the home it enhances. Whether you prefer a classic or modern kitchen look, Formica offers designs to suit every taste. Maintaining the beauty of Formica countertops is easier than you might think. For daily upkeep, a simple wipe with a soft cloth and a gentle cleaner is all it takes to keep your surfaces sparkling. Avoid abrasive sponges and harsh chemicals, as these can dull the finish. If you encounter a stubborn stain, a paste of baking soda and water applied gently can work wonders. Just be sure to rinse thoroughly afterward to prevent any residue. In terms of preventive maintenance, remember that Formica, while durable, isn't invincible. Utilize cutting boards to protect your surface from scratches and heat trivets, to guard against scorch marks from hot pots and pans. This simple habit can extend the life of your countertop significantly. For small scratches or chips, a DIY repair kit, specifically designed for laminate surfaces, can be a handy solution. However, for more extensive damage, it's wise to consult a professional who specializes in laminate repair. With proper care, your Formica countertop can look great for years, proving to be a worthwhile investment. Installing Formica countertops can be a rewarding DIY project or a quick job for professionals. Before diving into the installation, it's crucial to start with precise measurements. Ensuring that the dimensions of the Formica sheets or pre-made countertops match the designated space is key to a seamless fit. Next, focus on the substrate, which is the surface upon which the Formica will be laid. This area must be clean, dry, and level. Any discrepancies in level can lead to uneven placement and potential damage in the future. Once the substrate is prepped, it's time to apply a suitable adhesive. Spread it evenly across the surface to avoid any bubbles or pockets that could interfere with the adhesion. Laying the Formica requires a steady hand and a keen eye for alignment. Start from one end and gently press down the sheet, ensuring there are no air gaps. Trim any excess material for a clean finish, and use a roller to firmly bond the Formica to the substrate. Whether you hire a professional or do it yourself, installing Formica is straightforward and rewarding. How does Formica stack up against other countertop materials like granite or quartz? When exploring options for kitchen renovations, the choice of countertop material is pivotal. Let's dive into how Formica compares with popular materials like granite and quartz. Starting with cost, Formica is notably more affordable. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to renovate on a budget without sacrificing style. In terms of durability, while granite and quartz boast impressive hardness and resistance to heat, Formica counters hold their own with strong resistance to stains, scratches, and moderate heat. This makes them a practical option for kitchens that see a lot of activity. Maintenance is another area where Formica shines. Unlike granite, which requires periodic sealing to prevent stains, or quartz that can be sensitive to high heat, Formica offers ease of care. Simply wiping with a damp cloth and a mild detergent keeps it looking pristine. Considering the design, Formica offers an array of colours and patterns, including those that mimic natural stone and wood. This versatility allows homeowners to achieve a high-end look without the high-end price tag. Formica often emerges as the cost-effective, durable choice, especially for busy kitchens. Still unsure? Let's look at some real-life transformations using Formica. Imagine a kitchen that went from outdated and drab to modern and sleek, all thanks to the magic of Formica. One homeowner in Seattle shares that their decision to go with a marble-look Formica countertop not only saved them a significant amount of money, but also gave their kitchen a luxurious appeal, without the high maintenance of real marble. The before and after photos are simply stunning, a testament to Formica's transformative power. Another case comes from a professional designer in Chicago who frequently uses Formica in her projects. She praises its versatility and durability, noting how it stands up to the rigors of daily kitchen activities. She shared images of a recent project where vibrant, patterned Formica was used to accent a minimalist kitchen, proving that style and function can coexist beautifully. For those eager to dive deeper, there are ample resources available. Reputable suppliers and manufacturers can be found through a simple online search, offering high-quality Formica countertops in a myriad of designs. For the avid readers, there's a wealth of books and articles detailing the nuances of kitchen remodeling with Formica. Additionally, community forums and FAQs provide a platform for ongoing support and advice, helping everyone from DIY novices to seasoned pros. Explore the possibilities with Formica and see how it could transform your kitchen into a stylish, functional space.